Tyree, gutter, rat, loser, lowlife. Somebody need to put a bullet in your head. You know what, bro? Bro, I'm so pissed, man. You are a scumbag to the scummest. You are a low-life, lying piece of crap. Don't deserve to walk another day on this earth. You go tell somebody that you know how to cure cancer, you know how to do this, you know how to do that, but you ain't gonna tell nobody because they don't take up for you. You need to stop lying. You don't lie like that. You don't lie about cancer. And then you go tell somebody, F your mom, let her die because she ain't donating to you. You piece of dirt, man. You know, I had somebody in my family die of cancer. He died way too early. And he's a hell of a lot better than you. Bro, you are the scummiest of the scummiest. You are the biggest pussy walking. You a punk, man. I can't wait to see you, man. I'ma F you up, bro. Oh, I'ma beat you, bro. I'ma beat you real good. And this is a threat. I'ma beat you real good, bro. Real good, man. Talking about you ain't donating to me, so that's why F your mom, let her die of cancer. You know what, man? You better stay hiding. You better stay in that stupid little room you in. You better stay in there, bro. You go get it, bro. You rat, you go get it, bro. This is a threat. When I see you, man, I'm gonna try to break your face. Bro, you are a piece of dirt, man. You are just the pussies of pussies, man. Bro, you are a low life. But you know what? Some of those delusional fans of yours, they deserve you. But the people that ain't your fan, I swear, bro, you go get it real good, bro. I'm telling you this right now. You will see a black man coming up to you, and I'm going to F you up, bro. I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do to you. You ain't going to be able to run. You ain't going to be able to talk your way out of it. I'm going to break your face. Then I'm going to break your arms. I swear to God, bro, you better listen to me. Listen to me real. Man, you better listen to this. This is a message to you. And only you, rat, piece of crap, rat, you are going to pay. You're going to pay, you prick. I'm going to break your face. I'm going to try to break your soul if I can. Bro, you got the wrong nigga on you now. Because I promise you this, bro. I promise you with everything I love. I will get you, man. I'm going to get your sorry, worthless, wannabe, crappiest rappers I ever heard in my life. You got the nerve to tell that dude his mom could die because you ain't getting no mother effing dollar. Because you ain't donating $1 to your punk butt. And for the last time, keep saying that N-word, man. Tyree. Gutter rat. Keep saying that N-word. When you don't got no teeth in your mouth, you ain't better say it. Because I promise you, man, I'm going to bring it to you, man. I'm putting every effort I have to getting you, bro. I'm going to get you, bro. I'm going to get you so good, man. So good. And I'm going to make sure you apologize to that dude, man. You better effing apologize to him. Because I'll tell you right now, man, his mom didn't deserve that little comment you made. Talking about, you know how to cure cancer and stuff. You can't even motherfucking get out the goddamn hotel room. But you cure cancer? Begging for donations? But you know how to cure cancer? Get the hell out of here. Bro. You will literally say anything you possibly can to get $1. You will say and do anything. Because that's what you are. You are a gutter rat. You are the king of gutter rats. You are going to pay. You're going to pay dearly. Because that was a low. That was low. Real low. You know what? You know how hard it is watching somebody die of cancer. Slowly die of cancer. Slowly die. And knowing you can see your grandbabies grow up. Knowing you ain't gonna see your daughter or your son get married. Or seeing life in you. Go tell somebody to die. Hope they die. Because you can get a donation. Because you said you know how to cure cancer. Bro. It is become so personal with you. I'm going to make you pay for everything you ever said about people. For no reason other than your enjoyment. And lies on top of lies, on top of lies, on top of lies. You broke, you homeless, you spineless, you coward, you maggot of a rat. You are a loser on top of a loser. You 30-year-old bum. You have no friends, no family, no nothing. You are nothing in this world. Only time somebody gonna miss your sorry, ratchet, maggot of a person. Only thing people gonna remember you as I'm kicking your ass. Because I tell you, I'm gonna break your face. I'm gonna break your face. Gutter rat. Jesus, forgive me for this terrible language. Gutter rat, bro. You crossed the line. And I'm glad you did it, because now you gave me even more incentive to kick your... Bro, I'm gonna smash you, man. I'm gonna make you apologize to that woman and her son. And then I'm gonna make you do it again and again and again. Cut a rat. You better take this as serious as possible. gonna get you, bro. I'm gonna get you good. I'm going to get you. Then I'm gonna make sure Tyree never, ever again come on YouTube again running your mouth. I promise you that. And second, get your old punk butt out of that goddamn hotel room talking about you don't know if you'll keep. Yeah, because you don't got no money. And you do only make $10 an hour. Labor ready, you idiot. Talking about, I don't make $10 an hour because I get money every day. Hey, are you really that dumb? Did you really just say that out loud? I don't make $10 an hour because I get money every day. Bro, you're a gutter rat, and you about as dumb as a gutter rat. You are, you got the nerve to try to look down on people. Those flunky minions, aka rats, you call followers, are so effing dumb. Because I'm going to make sure, after I break your face, if any one of those little sissy wants some, I'm going to break them too. Because you know what? In my eyes, y'all all racist. Y'all racist pricks. That's y'all, and y'all all deserve to get what I'm going to give to you, gutter rat. So I tell you what, you better tell your gutter rat minions that I am coming for you, then I'm going to come for them. Because you know what? Rat. You ain't messing with some little white dude or little weird looking friends you got boxing in front yards and cemeteries, getting knocked down by them, getting beat up by them. You stupid. You're a stupid cunt. That's what you're calling. You're a woman. Yeah, you complain like a woman. I'm sorry, you got like you got girly balls. That's what you got. You got girly balls. I swear, after I whoop you, I might put you on the street, start sucking meat for money. How about that? Like, you can pay for your room that way. How you start licking balls and everything else to get some money. You already got the tramp stamp on your back, you stupid cunt. Gutter rat. You better take this serious, bro. I am coming for your butt. I know I'm looking for all the homeless shelters because that's the only place you should be at. Because I'll tell you, bro, you crossed the line on this one. I'm going to make you pay for that comment. I'm going to make you pay for that, bro. I promise I'm making you pay for that. I promise you. The man above is my witness. Jesus, the greatest man ever lived. Strike me down right now if I'm lying. Because I am coming for you, bro. I'm coming for you. And I'm going to get you. You can hide, you can run, you can call the police, you can do whatever you want. I'm coming for you because you soft. Because you soft. You got girly balls. You a little cunt. That's what you are, you little cunt. A little tramp stamp you got on your back. You a little girl. That's what you are. When you go to prison, you become somebody's girlfriend. You know what you're going to do because you'll be holding pockets in prison. You know that's what you're going for. Talking about you tough. Talking about, I guess I was in an accident. They said I'm supposed to die. Get the F out of here. You soft. You hoe. That's what you are. Then you a little cunt hoe. You are. Man, you rat. I'm going to get you, rat. Mark my words. I'm coming for you, bro. I'm coming for you.